A Haltom City man is stuck in a legal loophole in his attempts to get out of jury duty. It's not because he doesn't want to serve, it's because legally he can't, since he served time in prison. Fox 4's Calvert Collins explains the record's confusion, and she joins us from the Tarrant County Courthouse. Calvert.
Well, Harold Faber thought he had a get out of jury duty free card because he says he's a felon, and any felony conviction automatically denies any person from serving on a jury. But Tarrant County has no record of those alleged convictions.
Because I don't have no rights no more. I can't vote, I can't do nothing.
Imagine Harold Faber's surprise when this jury summons arrived in his mailbox earlier this month. The 43-year-old factory worker and part-time welder says he was convicted of delivery of marijuana in Lubbock in 1994. And while on probation, Faber says he was arrested for being a felon in possession of a firearm. He tells me he spent nearly 5 years in state and federal prisons.
I started in Abilene. From there, I went to Hutchinson Unit in Dallas. And then from Hutchinson Unit, I went to Huntsville.
But we couldn't find any record of it, nor could Tarrant County's jury bailiff.
And he did try to claim his disqualification. We weren't able to accept it because we didn't have the correct information.
Faber signed and mailed an affidavit with the date and county of his convictions, asking to be removed from the jury list. But the bailiff's records only show offenses in Tarrant County, not in the rest of the state. So he was denied and sent a second summons. From what Tarrant County jury bailiff Paula Morales understands, all district court clerks report felony convictions to the state, which then trickles back down to jury services.
My source list comes from DPS records, which include driver's license and ID cards, and then voter registrations. All of that gets sent to the Secretary of the State. They make sure there's not any duplications, and then they send it to me. So if the source is not correct, then it comes to me and it's wrong.
The only evidence of an arrest we could find is this mugshot from a 2004 drug arrest that violated Faber's parole. But no records indicate what he was on parole for.
I feel like I'm trying to do the right thing. That's why I keep saying, no, I can't do this. And they keep insisting that I'm going to have to do it.
Well, similar screw-ups happen with the deceased, those who changed their names or moved. If that updated information isn't reported to the county and then it's changed on their list, then those jury summons will continue to go to the wrong person or wrong address, or in this case, he will continue to get those jury summons because it hasn't been reported to the state level. So the message from all of this, Clarice, is if there is some wrong information out there, let your county know, or even up to the Secretary of State, because that's where all these lists get generated in the first place.
Calvert, great clarification. Thanks.